So it is 6 in the morning and we're heading to the shop. I have to get the money out. There's nothing in life is free. So we're gonna be stopping at Wells Fargo. Obviously we're here. Gotta take $250 out. I think that's a fair price. And then we're gonna head to the shop and get this shit going, man. So I'm here with Jaime. And he's gonna install this fucking upper pipe on my car, but these fuckers at Subaru sold me the wrong fucking gaskets.
Bastards.
Fucking assholes.
Nobody opens till 8 either, so.
Oh my god. So we're finally getting started. It's my boy. There it is. Had to wait for the engine to cool off. Yeah. So we are finally done, or they are. It took about 3 hours. Get that taken out. And yeah, installing everything. Done with this shit. It took 5 hours. 5.